Happy day to all. I am Rani Samyukta of grade from Acharya Western Ghats International School. Now I am going to read English to Speed Cards Unit 1 Nouns. Set 1. Deep fire, middle crawl, smoke, feel around, open, wait, meet, closest, outside, happen, blanket, bedroom, window, hang, close, like picture. Set 2. Hold, firefighter, find, easily, might, look, scary, help, yell, mask, hard, hear, afraid, beep, no, keep, safe, important, plan, case, fire, alarm, cold, place, below, story, set. Set 3. Stay hot, rise, night, hang, blanket, inside, friends, elephant, favorite, personality, teacher, student, proper, common, bakes, bread, cake, bun, give, scientist. Set 4. River, street, mountain, building, language, festival, month, begin, animals, things, mountain, scientist, carry, lunch, children, bell, ride, started, zoo. Challenge. Middle crawl, blanket, window, hang, firefighter, scary, yell, afraid, case, favorite, personality, mountain, language, festival,